Hello, welcome to Super Easy Physics and Mathematics. I'm Orisheje Matthew. We've been exploring the property of isosceles triangle. And in this lesson 4, we're going to be relating isosceles triangle to Pythagoras theorem. So what we are going to do is to find the size of the triangle. So like this question that we have for this lesson 4 is find the value of x. So you look at the parameters given to you, the size. So we're going to solve this particular question. So where do we start from? Before we start the solving of this thing, we're told that triangle BDC is an isosceles triangle. That means this length here, this vertical BD, is equal to this base here, DC, because the sign shows that the two sides are equal. So from there, we're going to look at, let's solve from the right hand side. So we now say in triangle BDC. So let's look at this right hand side. So let's look at this triangle. Okay, so I just to show the contrast. So if you do that, looking at that triangle, if we apply Pythagoras theorem, and what the Pythagoras theorem say, that if you have a triangle, this side is C, this is a right angle, and then this is A, and then this is B. Pythagoras theorem says that when you add the sum of the two shorter sides, it will give you the longer side. So we're going to use that principle here to get the value of these two sides. So to do that, so let's look at, so we do this now. So we're going to say that BD square plus DC square is equal to BC square. So this is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so if we use that, this will now give us, we have y square plus y square equals to 8 root 2 all square. So y square plus y square, that is 2y square, is equal to 8 root 2 times 8 root 2. So 8 root 2 times 8 root 2 is the same thing as 64. So this is equal to 64 multiplied by root 2 times root 2, that is root 4, to give us 2. So 2y squared is equal to 64 times 2. So let's go to this side and see how we can get the value of y. So we can now say that 2y squared divided by 2 is equal to 64 times 2 divided by 2. So what we have here, the 2 can take care of the 2, 2 take care of the 2. So we have y squared is equal to 64. So that means y squared is 64. So take square root of both sides. Take square root of both sides. So if we do that, square root of y squared is equal to square root of 64. So when you take a square root of y squared, the number is y. Square root of 64, which number will you multiply by himself to give you 64. That is 8 times 8, so the square root is 8. So we know now, we know the value of y. So here is 8 and here is 8. So next, for us to be able to get the value of x, we'll now look at triangle. So we'll now go to in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD. So triangle ABD, we use the same Pythagoras theorem because it's a right angle triangle. So we can now say 6 square plus y square equals to s square. So 6 square plus y square equals to x square. Remember, we just got the value of this. So we have 6 square plus 8 square equals to s square. So 36 plus 64 equals to s square. So 100 equals to s square. So what is the value of s? Take square root of both sides. S is equal to 10 cm. So this is solved. So next, I'm going to give you a simple exercise that you will solve for me. All right, so let's see. This is the comment exercise for you. Now, having listened to the lesson number 4 on isosceles triangle, I want you to try this, and then I want you to write your answer in the comment section of this video. I want to encourage you, just stay tuned, subscribe to Super Easy Physics and Mathematics, like, comment, and share. Thank you.